हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम आए हैं श्रीनगर, द डल व्यू श्रीनगर ताज होटल। दिस वीडियो is purely a room tour. So this is the entrance of the room. Now there is no such big building here. There are small blocks, each have 4 to 5 rooms. As you can see, this block on stairs go upstairs where there are 2 rooms, and downstairs there is this single room. As we enter the room, this is an almirah, followed by a big spacious king size bed. A sofa cum chair, a TV, a workstation, and a great balcony view. Since this is located on the ground floor, you can easily walk into the garden. So this is the balcony, which you give 2 chairs, followed by this lush green garden and a dull view, as you can see in the video behind, and greenery all around. So next, as you enter the room, you get some fresh fruits, some chocolates, and the TV in the room has all the OTT platforms enabled. You can enjoy your favorite show here. Next, we'll show you the washroom. It's a nice big sized washroom which has a bathtub, separate shower area, and it contains all the basic toiletries to make your stay feel like home. Next, this is the dull view, followed by the nice swimming pool, which you can see in the end. Just look at the view outside. Nice green, nature sounds, everything you can find. This is basically the reception area. This is the close-up view of the pool. This is the restaurant. You can enjoy your breakfast and have your meals both sitting inside or outside. This is the whole hotel complex. Mountain views in the back. Dull view again. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. Next, we have this big walk complete around the hotel. Watch the video till the end to get some awesome views. Thank you.